Hello, this is your captain speaking. In this tutorial, we will compile Cheat Engine 7.3 in Windows 10 in 2021 without any errors.
Download the Cheat Engine 7.3 source code. Download Lazarus 64-bit and the 32-bit add-on. Install Lazarus and wait. In the meantime, do 5 push-ups or eat a slice of pizza. Now install the Lazarus add-on and wait again. Extract the Cheat Engine source code. Double-click on the main project file of Cheat Engine. All the settings should say OK. In the Run menu, choose Compile Many Modes and select the 3 shown release versions. In the meantime, do 5 push-ups or eat a slice of pizza. You will see a lot of warnings, but there should not be any errors. We can see that the 3 Cheat Engine binaries have been built successfully. Before we test Cheat Engine, let's compile the tutorial application. The same process as before applies with the 2 release versions this time. Here we can see the 2 successfully built tutorial binaries. Let's start Cheat Engine and try to run the tutorial. We can also have a look in the About menu. Finally, let's try to change a letter in Notepad to our beloved F in the chat for all the people who build with errors. Thank you for watching, like if you learned something, subscribe if you want to support the creation of future content. Bye!